and we're talking about the car that weighs 1,200 kilograms and is travelling at 30 metres per second. So, whenever you're doing these questions, UVAX questions, I always, first thing, UVAX. So, U, the, X, T. Alright? So that way, I know what I know. So, Antoinette, you've done this question already? Like, did it work? Let's do it now together, you don't have to answer. So, the initial velocity here is travelling at 30 metres per second. So, I write 30 metres per second. It stops in a distance of 15 metres, so that goes on the X, 15 metres, because X is distance. And the question says, what is the special needs of the car if it's assumed to be uniform? In other words, what is the acceleration? They're asking us for this. Alright, so basically here we've got a few formulas. V equals to U plus AT. X equals UT plus a half AT squared. I just always write them down, particularly if you haven't memorised them. If you write them all down, that'd be good. X equals to U plus V over 2T. And X squared equals to U squared plus 2AX. V squared equals to U squared plus 2AX. So that's hunky-dory. Now, given all this stuff here, which one can we use? Well, if we look at this, we can't use any of them because we only got two variables. Or do we?
We know.
Final velocity is.
Which is what?
Zero.
Zero, because it stops. That's excellent. So now it's a little bit clearer. So we're looking for X. X equals UT plus half AT squared. Well, we don't have the time, so that one's out of the question. V squared equals U squared. Oh, that could be a goer. What do you reckon? Yeah. Alright, so let's try this one. I'll write the formula V squared equals to U squared plus 2AX. Now, this might seem tedious to you, alright? And I could do this in one step because I am a genius. You're not geniuses. I'll be asking you to do this format. Write down the variables, write down the formulas, rewrite the formula that you want to do, and then substitute the numbers in. I know it sounds pathetic and it sounds too cumbersome, but this will help you. Alright? So 0 equals to U squared, 30 squared, plus 2 times A times 15 metres. Alright, substitute all my numbers in. Huh? And now that I've substituted the numbers in, let's just churn through it. What's 30 squared?
900, sorry.
900 plus 2 plus 15, I'll just make it 38. 38.
Yeah.
No, 2 times 15 is 30.
Yeah.
Yeah. So negative 900 equals to 38. So A equals 900 over 30. Wham, bam, bam, bam. And that ends up being 9, 3.
Yep.
Mr. Lopez, why do you have a negative there?
Because
It is deceleration, or what we like to call it these days, special needs. Alright, so you can stop taping
And
now.
a wall.
Yep.